Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my first ever speed cleaning video in my new house. If you are new, I moved into a new house a few weeks ago. I'm also 22 weeks pregnant, so a lot going on. And this is my first speed clean in the new house. I'll give you a good look around because I've got a few updates to show you. And I'm also going to give you a sneaky preview of the living room, which we've been working on, but I'll show you that at the end. So I'm going to start in the kitchen, and because it is Christmas, as you may have guessed from my decorations, I'm going to use the warm cinnamon Zaflora, and I'm going to put a little bit of Zaflora in the small section of my sink along with some hot water. It will make the room smell incredible, but also I will use it as a solution to clean around the kitchen. I'm just going to use a basic microfiber cloth. I think this one was just from B&M, and I'm going to soak it and use it to wipe down all the...
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put.
I'm also going to use it to wipe down the dining room surface where Leo is currently having his lunch, and it just smells so Christmassy and so festive. I'm now going to clean Leo's playmat using an anti-bac spray by Sif and a fresh microfiber cloth. I'm going to spray the playmat and give it a good rub. This playmat is from Gus and Bo on Instagram, and it's so hygienic because it's so easy to clean. I try and wipe it down every day to keep it nice and fresh. And I'm also going to hoover all the floors downstairs before I head on upstairs. So I'm going to start in the kitchen, move into the dining area, and then I will hoover our hallway as well.
I am running for you if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me.
So I've moved on to hoovering the stairs now. I've changed the head on the hoover because you can't use the big head on the hoover, obviously. You have to use the small head, and they are a little fiddly because we have a runner that was put in just last week. They're not quite finished. We are having silver chrome bars put along each step as well, so they will be added to the stairs. But I'm going to work my way up and then hoover all across the landing as well.
Things I love, Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping.
Please ignore the pictures that are just placed on the floor. These will be going up on the wall, but we haven't had a chance to do that yet, along with many other things in the house.
Now don't be shy, 'cause I got the system of it.
In Into the dressing room now, and I've got some clean washing that needs to be put away, so I'm just putting away all of the washing. This room, I haven't really spent a lot of time sort of putting my stamp on this room. I'm going to get doors for the wardrobes and some more sort of girly bits put around, but there's still lots to be done in this room.
You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
Into Leo's room now, because I've got some of his clean washing to put away as well, and his room is looking a bit crazy at the moment, to be honest, because of Christmas, and he has his own delightful Christmas tree in the corner, but still lots of changes and things to come in Leo's room. Just going to tidy up his bed, make it nice and neat. He tries to make his bed in the morning, bless him, so sweet, but I just go over it and make sure it's nice and tidy. Into our bedroom now, and I'm going to change the bed sheets. So we don't have a bed yet. Our bed has been delayed because of coronavirus. So we are expecting our bed in a few weeks' time, and until then we're just sleeping on the mattress. But I have invested in some incredible bedding from Dusk that we are loving, and I'm taking this one off to give it a fresh wash, and I'm going to put on some brand new bedding from Dusk that we haven't tried yet. So I'm really excited to try it out.
Love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
The bedding is so heavy and such good quality that it's genuinely like a workout making the bed. I mean, I am 22 weeks pregnant, but I was exhausted after doing this. But the bedding is beautiful. Dusk does not disappoint. I couldn't recommend them highly enough. And I'm going to dress the bed with our lovely Dusk pillows, cushions, and the bedspread as well.
I have a lot to give. It's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse.
In the bathrooms, I'm going to use some disposable wipes because I just find them the most hygienic way to clean a bathroom. I just like using them in the bathrooms. So starting in the kids' bathroom, I'm going to clean the bath, the toilet, the sink. I also make sure I give the floor a really good go in the kids' bathroom, because if you have boys, you will understand why you need to make sure the floor is very clean. And I'm going to clean our ensuite bathroom as well. We do also have a toilet downstairs, which I won't show you cleaning because it's a bit small in there to film. And we do have a bathroom in the spare room, but that hasn't been used yet, so I don't need to clean it. I always finish my cleaning session by lighting some candles, and as it's Christmas, I'm lighting my Christmassy candles. It's just a signal of cleaning being over and the house feeling fresh and cozy, and I just have a candle obsession basically. But I'm really happy with the way my first speed clean has turned out. I'm feeling like I can start the day now, and I'm going to give you the sneaky little peek into our living room. We have got a huge transformation going on in there, and I'm going to show you a little teaser of it now, but make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out any future videos, because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos all about the house. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.